How to add logo in Wix website 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can add a logo in your Wix website in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to Wix as we are over here. And once you're in Wix, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to go over to add elements. Okay. And once we click on add elements over here, you can see tons and tons of things that you can work along with. Okay, but to add your very own logo, you can simply come over to image. And once you come over to image, you can go ahead and add a logo to the images that you've already downloaded, or you can create a custom logo for your branding or for your website branding. There's also other ways to make the logo pop out. Okay, you can go ahead and choose the site design sections, but mainly what most people do is they come over to image, and let's say we have this custom logo over here, right? So we do this, we make it smaller, and finally we go ahead and we add the image right over here. So that is basically how you're going to be adding a logo in Wix website in 2025. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.